last night of my 2019 trip was spent at the Goldome Mill in the eastern Mojave Desert. The Goldome Mill is one of the most modern abandoned sites that I've ever visited. The structures have been badly vandalized, but most of the equipment is still intact. The current facility was built in 1980. As near as I can tell, it originally milled ore mined at the site. Later, the mill was used to process ore from the Morningstar mine 17 miles away. My visit to the mill gave me a rare look at the workings of a modern milling operation. To some, modern mining facilities are a blight, but they're a part of the history of the West. I would much rather see this place slowly rust into antiquity than be torn down and forgotten. Here, ore is fed onto the conveyor belt for transport to the ball mill. The ball mill is a huge cylindrical container filled with steel balls. Crushed ore and water enter one end of the ball mill. As the mill revolves, the steel balls grind the ore to a fine powder. The resulting slurry exits through a screen at the end of the mill. The machines at this end of the building are called froth flotation cells. These froth flotation cells skim the gold-bearing froth from the top of the slurry. Stepping outside the building brought me to the leach tanks. After passing through the flotation cells, the remaining slurry was treated in these tanks. Later, I drove around the hill behind the mill and found a mine portal which has been reinforced with sprayed concrete. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other videos featuring ghost towns, mines, and more.